Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to place an image in text with Photopea on a PC or laptop. It's actually very easy to do. So if this does help you out, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, I've got my image. So this is actually just a picture of the moon. And what I'm going to do is come across to Photopea. And obviously the first thing you want to do is get your text set up. So if you click onto this T button in this menu on the left, this is actually your text tool to add some text in. And then what you want to do is just click onto the canvas anywhere. And then type your text in. Like so. So you can see this is at the top of the page, just up here. So I'm just going to bring this down and make this a bit bigger so you can see it. So I'm just going to make that really big, nice and big. And then I'm going to change this to a more kind of bold font. So I'm just going to click on this down arrow. And what we'll do is go for something like this. Like so. So to add the moon image, it's very easy to do. All you need to do is simply drag and drop your image into Photopea. So I'm going to drag this from the desktop and come across to Photopea and then just drop that onto the canvas like so. And what you want to do from here is two things to note. You want to make sure that in this section on the right hand side, you want to make sure the image is above the text. So we can see that's above the text, and also you want to make sure the image is actually covering the text fully. Once that's done and it's ready to go, it's very simple. As I say, all you need to do is right click on the actual image over here on the section on the right hand side. And then what you want to do is come down and click onto where it says clipping mask. And you'll see what's going to happen. That's going to actually insert the image into the text. And yeah, simple as that really. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.